Hello and welcome. Today, we are diving into a simple yet powerful tool that saves lives, the MUAC tape. Ever heard of it? MUAC stands for Middle Upper Arm Circumference, and it's a game changer for quickly identifying malnutrition in communities around the world. So, what exactly is MUAC? Think of it as a quick health check for muscle and fat reserves in the upper arm. It's incredibly effective for screening children between 6 and 59 months old, as well as pregnant and lactating women. Why is this little tape so important? First, it's super easy to use. Community health workers and even volunteers can learn the process quickly with minimal training. Second, it requires almost no equipment, just the tape and a way to record the results. Most importantly, it helps us spot severe acute malnutrition, or SAM, and moderate acute malnutrition, known as MAM, very early on. This early detection is crucial for getting individuals the help they need before their condition becomes critical. Just remember, MUAC is not designed for infants under 6 months old. Ready to learn how it's done? Let's walk through the steps. All you need is a MUAC tape, clean hands, and consent from the person or their caregiver. First, you'll want to prepare. Introduce yourself, explain what you're about to do, and make sure the person is comfortable. Always ask for permission before you begin. Next, identify the correct arm. We always use the left arm for consistency. Ask the person to relax their arm and let it hang loosely by their side. Now for step 3, finding the midpoint. This is the key to an accurate measurement. Ask the person to bend their arm at a 90-degree angle, like they're making a muscle. ULL feel for 2 bony points, the very top of the shoulder and the pointy tip of the elbow. Use the tape to measure the distance between these 2 points and mark the middle. Once you have your midpoint, it's time for the actual measurement. Have the person straighten their arm again, letting it hang naturally. Wrap the MUAC tape around the arm at the midpoint you just marked. The tape should be snug, but not too tight or too loose. Make sure it's lying flat against the skin, not over any clothing. Then, simply read the measurement where the arrow points. So, what do the numbers and colors mean? For children aged 6 to 59 months, the tape is color-coded. A measurement in the green zone, which is 12.5 centimeters or more, means the child is well-nourished. If it falls in the yellow zone, between 11.5 and 12.4 centimeters, that indicates moderate acute malnutrition. A measurement in the red zone, less than 11.5 centimeters, signals severe acute malnutrition, which requires immediate attention. For pregnant and lactating women, the cutoff is slightly different. If it's yellow, they should be referred to a supplementary feeding program. If it's green, that's great news. Encourage the caregiver to continue good feeding practices. Remember, as a screener, your role is not to diagnose, but to screen and refer. Always be respectful, maintain confidentiality, and record your data accurately. Avoid common mistakes like using the wrong arm, pulling the tape too tight, or measuring over clothing. And that's it. MUAC screening is a simple, effective, and life-saving skill. When done correctly, it ensures vulnerable children and women get the support they need to thrive. Thank you for learning with us today. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more content. See you next time.